Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video I will be doing my first impressions of this new Viseart Soleil La Plage. I don't know how to pronounce this one. I do not speak French. I think in English it means the beach because it's summer. It's almost summertime. I mean, can't go anywhere right now. But anyways, yeah, I'll be doing my first impressions of this one. I'll be doing swatches of this too. Makeup, I'm wearing this one on my eyes today. So if you want to see swatches, my makeup tutorial, first impressions of this product, first things first, if you like to watch makeup reviews, first impressions of new makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video. And yeah, let's go get started. I'm going to read the whole information about this palette, but two important things. The eyeshadows, you can dip at them. They are magnetized, so that's amazing. You can mix them together with your other single shadows. If you're a makeup artist, that's a really amazing, but I'm not, so I'm not gonna do that. Another thing is the packaging is recyclable. Another thing, so recyclable packaging. So I'm gonna use this yellow shade. Kinda reminds me of the Huda Toffee Brown, but this one's a lighter brown. So I'm gonna be using the reference number 16 brush. So I'm gonna use this one as my transition shade. So somebody asked me about the hard gel eye patches I'm wearing. They're from the brand Incredible. They are only $10 for 30 pairs. So right now Sephora is having a sale. So if you want to buy the hard gel patches from this brand, Incredible, I highly recommend the hard gel patches because they are really amazing, very hydrating, and they make the when I apply my concealer, just my dress look really nice and smooth. So I'm just gonna blend this out okay. So I did not mention guys about the shade I'm wearing right now or applying right now. So this brown shade, I'm using the reference number 15 brush. So I'll be doing Sephora, like try on, not maybe like first impressions of the makeup products that I purchased from Sephora. I'm thinking of ordering another doing another order, but I still got stuff on my shopping cart. Like I'm still trying not to buy too much, but oh my god, it's just so hard to pass it up. So most of the cream blushes are sold out. Okay, so this one is really nice. Okay, so not very like pigmented though, very buildable type of brown shade. So I'm gonna remove the hydrogel patches. Then see guys, so smooth. My under eyes look really smooth. And then I'm gonna be using this dark brown shade, and this is the reference number 14. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit more like a wing type. Oh, this is really nice. This brown shade. Excuse me. This burp. Oh, this brown shade. So pretty, and it doesn't look patchy at all. Ooh. Now I'm gonna use the shimmers in here. They're known for their soft, like shimmery eyeshadows. I personally like very shimmery eyeshadows. I mean, very glittery, shimmery eyeshadows like Pat McGrath. But they're not bad at all, guys. So let's see if the shimmer shadows in here are like soft shimmers. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do now. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be using this copper shade, and I'm just gonna use, ooh, okay. So this is naturally is a metallic eyeshadow, and it looks a little bit on the subtle side, not very metallic. So here. I use this orange shade and just maybe add it right here. So I'm gonna continue applying the rest of my makeup off camera, then I'm gonna tell you guys like my thoughts about this new palette from Viseart. Alright guys, so for my lower lashes, I'm wearing this dark brown shade. I tightline my waterline and also this orange soft metallic shade. And also for the blush, because most of the cream blushes right now from Sephora are sold out. So I am wearing the Beach Happy Hour, Beach Please in Happy Hour from Tower 28. Kind of looks similar to my orange shadow that I'm wearing right now. So you know what? I forgot to apply this like highlight in my inner corners. Let me use this soft metallic like light brown shade. Ooh, this one's really nice. Although it's also a soft metallic, but it's really pretty. And it doesn't look what I call this chalky. Let me go all the way up here. So I'm using the Refer number 12 brush. Ooh, wow, that added like pop on the eyes. Wow, I really like this. Okay, all right guys, so I'm gonna tell you about the palette right now. So I really like the idea of recyclable packaging, and the pans are magnetized. You can pop them out. That's what I noticed too. You can pop them out. I think on this side right here. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so for the formulation, like the matte, not very pigmented matte, but very buildable, very easy to blend. The metallics are soft metallics. So if you're not into soft metallic shades, I personally do not recommend this one, because if you're like into very metallic-y shades, very shimmery eyeshadows, because Viseart, one thing I noticed about them, they're known for the soft metallic shades, soft shimmers, mattes, very easy to blend. I like the mattes in here. There are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes in here, and most of the shades are soft metallic shades. I personally do not mind the soft metallic shades. As you can see, they are really nice, very easy to apply. They had a little bit of fallout to them. I personally do not mind. So they are very soft, but the colors are really nice. Kind of reminds me of summer, going somewhere like Caribbean island, or maybe somewhere in Italy, go to the beach. That's what that's what I'm feeling right now with this palette. I really like the formulation. Like I said, the metallics are very soft metallic shades. So if you're not into soft metallics, I personally do not recommend this one. If you're into soft metallic shades, because you were about, emphasizing if you have like textured lids, soft metallic shades and soft shimmer shades are really nice. I personally do not mind at all about the soft metallic shades in here, but I still I like very shimmery, very metallic shades. But as you can see guys, they're really still very beautiful, very nice, like elegant colors. I am very happy with this palette. The mask, very easy to blend. Overall, I really like this palette. I really enjoyed applying the matte shades and also the soft metallic shades. And this blue color right here, ooh girl, that is so pretty. So let me know guys if you have tried anything from Viseart, especially this new eyeshadow palette. And the packaging, it is so beautiful, it's gorgeous. All right, so this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. I think I'm gonna upload another one tomorrow. I'm gonna update you guys with some stuff that I have been using. And bye bye.